So here we have our guava tree. It's all covered up because it's winter time and it's in a wine barrel. You know, I live in zone 9B and guava is a tropical tree. It doesn't grow easily here in zone 9B. What we have done is that we have planted it in this the wine barrel so that, you know, if required, we can move it indoors in the garage, in the porch. And it's about 3 years old, and in winter time we cover it like this, and we have also put water bottles filled with water so that they maintain the temperature around the roots of this tree. I was really skeptical, but the results were worth it. I'm so glad we did it. Let's uncover it and let me show you the guavas and let's pick some of those. Look at these beauties. I love guavas personally. You know, I grew up with a huge guava tree in the house. We used to climb up the guava tree and sit there and eat freshly picked guavas. So they're still hard, but you know, you leave them in pantry for a couple of days and then they become good. Oh, this one looks so good. So I still have a few left here, but first of all they are small, and also we already have so many. So I'm going to leave these on the tree and then we'll come back to these maybe in 4 or 5 days. So I've washed it, brought my knife. Yeah, it is soft from inside. Not that many seeds. Mmm. You can feel a little bit of sourness, sweetness, and the crunch. Amazing. So I hope this video was exciting to you, as exciting as it was for me, because you know, it's just amazing to have fresh guavas from the tree in our zone. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.